Hello viewers, welcome to my channel everyone. In today's video, I've brought you a brand new tutorial. If you watch the video till the end, you'll learn how to add auto subtitles to your videos with just one click, completely free. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So let's get started. To add subtitles, the first step is to open Google Chrome. After opening the Chrome browser, search for Capwing. Click on the first website that appears. Click on Get Started. Then click on Continue with Google. After that, sign up using any Gmail account from your phone. Click on the Create New button. Then click on Press to Upload. Next, click on the File option. Now, select the video to which you want to add subtitles. The video may take a few moments to upload. If the video is longer, it might take a bit more time, so please be patient and wait while the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, click on the Subtitle option. Click on Auto Subtitle. Then click on Auto Subtitle once again. It may take 2 to 5 minutes for the subtitles to be generated, so please wait patiently. Once the subtitles are generated, click on Export. Then select the video quality as 720p and click on Export as MP4. After waiting for a few moments, click on Download to save the video to your gallery.